It's an AliExpress unboxing. Had a few of these packages from today, so I think I've made like 4 videos on these over the course of about a week. Got a few of these, so decided to open them all up in the same day. So this is a Lepin set. I can already tell right now just by looking at it. It's a Lepin knockoff Star Wars set. Bags inside of bags inside of bags. Oh, I know what this is. So these are the... I wonder if you can guess what this is. This is the Dropship with... I can't remember what that thing's called. It's one of the walkers, one of the like 20 different walkers in Star Wars. It's seen like on the planet where Ayla Secura dies, I think is what it is. You see him walking around there. I can't believe I can't remember what that thing's called. In a Lego set, it'll just tell you what it's called. These Lepin sets, they just name it Star Plan or whatever. And then some random name. Let's see if I can see the instruction book around here somewhere. Might not have come with one. Huh. I think that's the first time I've ever gotten one where it didn't come with the instructions. I know they do sell them without the instructions sometimes. I probably just wasn't paying attention. I can get them online and wade through it. Shouldn't be that big of an issue, but these Lepin sets are kind of a mess anyway, putting together, because the last one I unboxed was actually numbered, these bags. These ones aren't numbered, so it's going to be kind of a mess putting this all together, but I don't know. It's kind of part of the fun when you go through there. It's kind of frustrating, but especially when you have a really big set, then it can be really frustrating. This one's going to be decently frustrating because it's a pretty good size set. I think on AliExpress this cost me like, I want to say like $90. Still pretty expensive. But yeah, I guess you get what you pay for when it comes to when it's cheaper. I mean, if you wanted to get the actual set, the legitimate set from Lego, I mean, it's a retired set now, the actual Dropship. Man, that thing's probably brand new, hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So, obviously, I mean, I like Lego too. You should support Lego. I mean, if you're buying Lepin, you're not supporting Lego, so kind of beating myself on that one. But this will be fun to build, and when it's all done, I'll do another video on it.